He's reading so intently. What a handsome guy. I should talk to him. But how? What if he laughs? Maybe I'll ask about the book. Or just say I like his smile. Don't miss out, just take a chance. Deep breath, go for it. Hi, I'm Lisa. What's your name?
Hello Lisa, I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, David. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. I live with my parents and younger sister. How about you?
I'm from Los Angeles. I have an older brother. And a pet cat named Luna. David, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy playing the guitar and painting. How about you, Lisa?
I like swimming and playing tennis. I also enjoy watching movies. What's your favorite food?
I really love pizza. It's so delicious. How about you?
I'm a fan of sushi. The flavors are amazing. What do you like about playing the guitar?
I like how it lets me create music and express my feelings. How about painting? Why do you enjoy it?
I find painting relaxing, and it helps me unwind. Oh, and I'm not a big fan of crowded places, they make me uncomfortable.
I understand. So, what's your typical day like?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 a.m., have breakfast, and then go for a jog. After that, I go to work. How about you?
I wake up early too, around 6 a.m. I exercise a bit and then get ready for school. After school, I practice playing the guitar.
Sounds like a busy day. Have you traveled anywhere interesting?
Yes, my family and I went to Florida last summer. It was amazing. How about you, Lisa?
I visited Paris a few years ago. The Eiffel Tower was breathtaking.
Wow, that's incredible. So, do you have any dreams or goals?
Yes, I hope to become a successful writer someday. How about you, David?
I want to become a doctor and help people. It's been my dream since I was a kid.
That's really admirable. What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to have a picnic with my friends in the park. How about you, Lisa?
I'm going to visit an art exhibition and then have a movie night with my brother.
That sounds like fun. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and gardening. How about you, David?
I like going to the beach, and sometimes I volunteer at a local animal shelter.
It's been great talking to you, David. I hope we can chat again sometime.
I've enjoyed our conversation too, Lisa. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, David. If you're okay with it, could I have your mobile number? I'd like to stay in touch.
Of course, Lisa. I'd be happy to share my number. It's 5551234. Looking forward to keeping in touch. Hey.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.